everybody, I told you we were going to start reviewing our alphabet letters. We did our last letter yesterday, Q. So we're going to start out today by going through our whole alphabet, and we're going to say the name of each letter and the sound it makes. And then we're going to do a little practice with some beginning sounds of some pictures, figuring out what letter is making the beginning sound. These are all mixed up. They are not in order. So we're going to say the name of each letter and the sound it makes. Are you ready? You can repeat it after me if you don't know. U, U. P, P, P. T, T, T. D, D. A, A. O, O. C, J, J. K, K. K and C make the same sound. I, I. L, O. G, G, G. H, M, B, B. R, F, E, E. N, you're upside down. V, Q, Qu. The letter we've just been working on the last few days. W, W, W. S, S. X, X. Z, Z. And Y, Y. Good job. All right, I want you to get the page out of your packet that looks like this. It says beginning sounds at the top. It's got some different pictures and letters. You're going to need your crayons for this. If you have a paint marker, a dot marker like we use at school, if you have one of those at home, you can use it. If not, you're just going to use your crayons. Okay? So I'll give you a minute to get that ready. I'm going to get a crayon out. Let's listen to the directions. It says color or dab the letter to show the beginning sound. So we're going to look at each picture and we're going to think about what sound, what letter sound we hear at the beginning of the word, and we're going to color the letter that matches it. Okay, we're going to do 2 rows together, and then you're going to go the bottom 2 rows on your own. So let's look at this first picture. What do we have a picture of? A mailbox. Listen carefully and see if you hear a C sound or an N sound at the beginning of mailbox. Listen to it. Mailbox. Do you hear C or M? I hear which is the M sound. So I'm going to color the M. Mailbox starts with an M. Let's look at our next one. What's this a picture of? The sun. Listen carefully and see if you hear an S sound or an A sound at the beginning of sun. What do you hear? Do you hear S, S or A, sun? I hear an S, sun. Look at this next picture. Does anybody know what this is? This is a tent that you might use when you go camping. Listen to the word tent and see if you hear a T, T or an H, tent, tent. What do you hear? I hear a T sound, T, the beginning of tent. Okay, let's come down to the next row. This is a picture of the sky at night. Listen to the word night and see if you hear an N sound or a W sound. Night. Night. What do you hear? I hear an N. Night. Next we have a butterfly. Do you hear B or K at the beginning of butterfly? I think I hear a B. Okay, here's the last one we're going to do together. What is this? Football. Listen and see if you hear an for R or a F for F at the beginning of football. Listen. Football. Football. What do you hear? I hear an F. All right, you're going to keep going with these other pictures, and you're going to do what we just did together. You've got yarn, a gift, pancakes, a dog, apple, and cow. You're going to say each word, and you're going to decide which letter sound you hear at the beginning of that word, and you're going to color that letter. So you're going to do it for yarn, gift, pancake, dog, apple, and cow. And then you can go back and color the pictures when you're done. All right, we'll do some more practice with some of our sounds and our letters tomorrow.